Well, hello there. I just finished calibration of this Drake T4XC. That's not very hard. You want to get a frequency standard up on the computer, and I'm using cubic SDR with a tiny little RTO SDR dongle, which is somewhere on my desk here. Let's see where it is. Here it is. Show yourself, SDR. There it is. Using that thing. Anyway, I was up late putting this thing back together after cleaning it, and I still got to get a couple of 12x7s in this thing since people are ripping off for these tubes. I ordered some from Ukraine. With the impending Russia invasion, they may not come, but I ordered them like a month ago or something, or 2 weeks ago, so hoping for some cheaper USSR type 12x7s to come that I can throw in this thing. And that's about it. I'm calibrated on 40 meters here, on 7.2 finally, and there's the calibration sequence right there. So much for that. I think this radio goes on the pile of inert radios and to be fixed later. And that's about it. I think I'm going to take a break now from fixing Drake radios and post some more videos that are more interesting to my faithful followers here that usually want to see fix-it videos or stuff like that. So this turned out pretty good though. I like how the thing looks anyway. It's a nice clean radio. Looks nice in the dark. So there we go. Anyway, have a great day, and it's day after Martin Luther King Day, Tuesday, January 18th here. And yeah, I'm just getting back to work here with computer type stuff. No more radio stuff for a while. Hopefully this radio is done, and once I get some 12x7s in this thing, maybe it'll run good. We'll see. We'll see. I gotta get these radios all done and call it a day. Fixing radios. I gotta get back into software. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.